Alright guys, here we are. It's the week 2 update for round 2 of Battle of the Knife Protectants. Now I will say I did an update, what was it, day 11, probably about 2-3 days ago. We're actually a day early. This is day 13. We're leaving on day 14 for Blade Show West. So it's almost 2 weeks, but I did an update for channel members a couple of days ago. I did do simulate some more rain because we wouldn't have it, but we did get a little bit of rain this morning. So let's go check things out and see how we're looking. So seeing a little bit more orange. All right, so we're finally getting some corrosion on there. So yeah, there's our bare metal. Now we can tell that one's still kind of wet over there on the patina. I know it's not exactly even, so where it sat kind of there in the corner, all right, probably we can kind of sort of write that off maybe, because if we look at the rest of it, that pre-patinaed, that forced patina piece is doing very well. Atom oil, it was doing okay, but it looks like it's kind of taking its toll. Dude, check out Frog Lube. Frog Lube, yeah buddy, all right. Eagle Tears holding up pretty well. Now you can see there's still some water beaded up on that. That's just from the moisture we had this morning. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm just gonna leave it as is. But what's that? Oh, that's Marine Tough. Marine Tough doing all right. I mean, even there where there's still some water sitting, there's not really. Sweet. Super Lube doing okay within, compared to bare metal. Atom oil, it's not. It's maybe a little worse than bare metal. I don't know. You make the call, guys. This is just unadulterated. It's the way it is. Super Lube, not too bad. This is Rem oil. Okay. Doing not the greatest. Slick 'em all is probably on par with bare metal right now. And then fluid film actually showing some wear. Oh, it's still got some water beaded up on it from this morning, but overall it's not too bad. So I'd say right now Frog Lube. Frog Lube is probably the one that's holding out the best. Fluid film's doing all right. I think overall Eagle Tears isn't doing too bad. Marine Tough, but Forced Patina, man, I think it's sat there, longer than. But overall, Forced Patina is doing well. Yeah, it is doing. Look at the difference from bare metal to a Forced Patina. That is really, really interesting. I'm really glad. I know several of you suggested it. Really glad you did. That's awesome. Thank you so very much for suggesting that. What do you think, guys? Should we call it? If I were to call it now, I'd say of the Protectants, Frog Lube's probably the winner. Marine Tough, hanging tough, and Eagle Tears, hanging pretty tough as well. And even Fluid Film, doing pretty well. But as far as this, man, it's coming down to Frog Lube and Forced Patina. Let me know down in the comments, guys. What do you think? I'm doing this now. It's going to stay out there. Maybe I'll do one more. I'll leave it out there for 3 weeks. We weren't expecting to have the rain we had today. It wasn't forecasted. It just kind of came up on us and did it. So, you can tell it sat there a little longer than normal. And it sat there on that piece a little longer than normal. So, okay. Guys, this is a highly scientific backyard test. Okay, take it for what it is. I've had so many people, that's not scientific. Well, okay, whatever. I don't care. Yeah, thanks for your input. It is what it is. This is just simulating. Hey, if you put this stuff on your knife and then dropped your knife outside, this is what it's going to look like in 2 weeks using this stuff, potentially, depending on rain and moisture and all that good stuff. So there you go. Yeah, but let me know down in the comments. Should I let it go? I'm probably just going to leave them out here when we go to Blade Show. And I might do one more, like a 3-week, just to do a wrap up or something like that. But interested to hear what you think down in the comments. As always, thank you guys so very much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time. I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Bye-bye.